Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. And this time it's gonna get serious. I want to discuss a lots of stuff with you guys. I want to discuss about lots of things with you guys actually. I want to talk it out because in the past few days I've been thinking about it and I think it's the time that we should talk about it. Right. First of all, let me mention something else here. You guys know yesterday was a tragic day for Thailand and Thai people. A massive earthquake actually just hit them. Yeah, it was 7.7 measurement one. Yeah, it was that huge, and things are not looking way too good and not way too worse, of course. But yeah, and a lot of things are happening. You guys know it. So I'll hope and pray my best that you guys know tomorrow is Face Fan Meet. Tomorrow is the 30th March. Tomorrow is Face Fan Meet going to happen and the event going to happen. So I pray and hope for the best, and I legit pray that nothing will happen tomorrow. Hoping for the best. But you never know, Mother Nature. But yeah, I'm worried about people of Thai in general, you know. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Hoping and praying for the best. I would suggest you guys to pray for them as well. Yeah. Anyway, guys, now let's talk about it. Tomorrow is Faiz Fan Meet. Of course, we have been waiting for it so eagerly, and it is the most anticipated event till now, as we are saying it. Yeah, we have been waiting for this day for weeks actually, and actually lots of things are being said, being told about this fan meet. Our whole fandom is talking about it. A lots of toxic fans also, arguing about it, fighting among themselves, and every other stuff is happening, right? And the center of it is Faiz fan meet. Now I want to discuss a lot of things with you guys, not to mention I actually want to remind you guys a lot of stuff. I should calm myself down first of all. Do you guys remember Faiz just went on live on TikTok just few days ago actually, and in that live Faiz bluntly said that she is going to say and she is going to reveal the truth in 30th March. Yeah, in her fan meet. That's it. That's it. It's a pretty big and bold statement. Now, a lot of people were panicking, and you guys know who. People from Nine Star are crumbling. I'm pretty much sure they are shaking with fear. Yeah, because they know this is Faye. This is Faye Pariah. If she is here, she is not here to play. As I always say, she is going to. Yeah, you got that right. She is here to slay. That's it. So the thing is, Faye actually made this bold statement on her TikTok live that she is going to reveal every truth in her fan mate, right? She may not directly say everything, but indirectly, Faye actually has said every freaking thing. The fact is, she somehow said she is going to expose Nine Star. That's it. This is the vital thing here. This is the most important thing here. She is going to expose Nine Star. I'm telling you guys, right? Because she is enough. She has seen enough. She is so done with this. And not to mention, another thing Nine Star actually did much worse with Faye is they actually pinched her so much. They indirectly, said a lot of stuff about Faye. They actually blamed a lot of stuff on Faye, which is not, of course, not ethical and not professional at all. And Faye actually got mad over this fact. Because I remember Faye actually said this line, and I quote, that I told them, nice, I told them not to say anything false, anything lie about myself. Yet they actually said a loads of lie about me, like about fire. Yeah, let me show you guys this. Have a look. Yeah, right. I think Faye was initially was gonna keep her quiet, keep her silent and everything. As we know, she is such composed person, such such intelligent woman. She is not going to harm anyone or say anything bullshit about anyone. But as Nine Star did this with her, they actually accused a lot of stuff uh, on Faye. They actually blamed a lot of stuff on Faye. Is it a mosquito? Yeah, on fire. So that's that, and that's why I guess it actually triggered fire somehow, right? It actually made her blood boil. That's it. That's why fire decided to expose the truth. And I'm pretty much sure it actually includes Nine Star. I'm pretty much sure of it. And I am sure about another thing, that she is seeking legal help in this. She is preparing with her lawyer and everything. Of course, she can't open her mouth like anywhere, or she can't say anything indirectly without thinking it twice. That's why I think she's preparing for it, guys. It's coming. It's coming. She is not like Nine Star, that she is not got a big mouth, right? She is gonna do what she has to do. This is Faye. Just think about it. Her every move is super duper calculated. Now, let me talk about another stuff here, alright? Our whole fandom, I wouldn't say our whole fandom, a lot of people are talking about it. Faye actually said that she is going to reveal the truth. She didn't specify anything, right? She didn't specifically say that she is going to talk about that, or that. But guess what? A lot of people are saying that maybe Faye going to talk about Yoko as well. Yeah. A lot of people are saying maybe Faye is going to accuse Yoko somehow. It's way too impossible, I would say. Yeah, I mean, I don't know Faye, personally, but I can be sure of that. Faye never going to talk anything negative about Yoko. Yeah, she's not going to throw any mud on Yoko. She's not going to throw Yoko under the bus. She's not that kind of woman. Remember it. She is one of Yoko's protector. I definitely don't think so that she is going to say anything about Yoko at all in the fan meet. At least if she is going to mention Yoko, this is gonna be sweet, kind, and wholesome. She's not gonna say any toxic stuff about Yoko or anything. That's for sure. That's for sure. I'm telling you guys. Because a lot of toxic solo Yoko's fan and loads of toxic shippers are saying that maybe Faye is going to, say something bad, say something negative about Yoko. But as I said, I don't think this is the case. What do you guys feel about it? I want to know your opinion about it. So do let me know. Do let me know. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. All right, if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video with other. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon, with new one. Till then, take care and keep smiling. That's it. Keep an eye on the channel for regular and new updates. All right, bye.